Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today we're going to be making spicy orange chicken. This recipe is quick and easy. A lot of my recipes are just quick and easy and fun to make. So let's get started with 1 pound of clean, dried, patted chicken wings, room temperature buttermilk, chicken batter mix. I love this mix. Put enough oil in to cover the wings. So we're going to dump our chicken into the buttermilk, then into the batter. Cover completely. Mix it all well together. Okay, so we'll put our chicken wings into our hot oil. The oil is about 350 degrees. So I think the secret to have a nice crispy chicken is to make sure your chicken is patted dry, has been sitting out for a while, not ice cold, and that your oil is hot, at least 350, 360, somewhere around there. Also make sure your buttermilk is room temperature. Okay, let's put our wings in. We want to make sure we do not crowd them because that would mess up the crust as well. Okay, so our chicken is looking pretty good. It's ready to come out. We're going to put the wings on a rack and let the oil drain off. Looks delicious. So I have minced garlic, crushed red peppers, garlic salt, of course, oranges, hot sauce. I like Crystal hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce you like. We have onion powder, honey, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. And I'm using this wok, although I'm not going to heat it. I like to use this wok because to me it's easier to mix the sauce over the chicken. So let's go ahead and use about 1/3 cup of honey, about 1/3, a little less than 1/3 of hot sauce, but of course this is your recipe that you're going to be cooking. You can put the recipe ingredients to your desire. We have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm shaking in cayenne pepper. It really makes the chicken spicy. It doesn't overspice. It's about maybe a little over a teaspoon. And then we have some garlic salt. Shake some into your desire. We have onion powder. Just shake some in. And I'm using about maybe a teaspoon, a little less than a teaspoon of red crushed peppers. And then of course we're going to shake in our smoked paprika. We're going to squeeze our orange juice into our mixture. It's best to use fresh oranges and not store-bought bottle orange juice. That's just my opinion, but you know, it's your recipe, make it how you like. I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix it well. I'll give it a taste to see if it's where I would like it to be. And so I decided I need a little more orange juice in it, so I'm going to squeeze just a tad more orange juice. I'm going to give it another taste. And it was good. So I'm going to pour it over my chicken wings. I'm I'm going to carefully mix the sauce over the chicken wings, trying not to break the chicken crispy crust. So now I'm going to put just a little bit more honey on top and sprinkle a few more bits of crushed red pepper. And I'm also going to sprinkle some parsley over it. So I'm going to put these chicken wings in the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes, just to make sure that the honey is going to stick onto the crust and it will stay nice and crispy, crunchy. So like I said, about 6 to 7 minutes on 400 degrees. And here we are. It looks delicious. Try this recipe. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. Please like and subscribe, share, and enjoy.